Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start inside the Clock app, open Focus Sessions, and sign into your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once signed in, pick a task name and set a timer length. This ties the session to a concrete goal. Make sure to link Spotify or Microsoft to do so music or tasks appear during focus. Once done, toggle the notification pause option to minimize interruptions. You're initiating the session immediately. Press Start to begin a timed, distraction managed work block. Once the timer runs, use mid-session controls to shape your flow. Adjust segments or add custom increments to match your attention span, and choose short breaks when needed. Make sure Do Not Disturb is active so notifications stay muted. You can selectively allow priority alerts. If you link to do, mark subtasks complete as you progress. This reinforces momentum. If energy dips, extend the timer consciously rather than reflexively. Otherwise, end the session and take the planned break to reset. When your timer finishes, end the session and review the session summary and completed tasks to capture progress. This feedback trains your habit. If syncing fails, reauthorize your Microsoft account or reconnect Spotify in the Clock app settings. Sign out and sign back often resolves token issues. If Do Not Disturb didn't block alerts, open Windows Settings System Focus Assist and confirm automatic rules and app priorities. You'll then restart a clean session with the same setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.